In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively view and manage your recurring invoices, a critical aspect of maintaining a smooth and efficient workflow in your sales operations. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just getting started, understanding your recurring transactions can significantly streamline your billing process and improve your cash flow. Let's start by discussing where you can access your recurring invoices. First, navigate to your sales dashboard. This is where you can get an overview of all transactions that are set to occur on a regular basis. You'll often find your sales dashboard located within your primary account panel, accessible through your main navigation menu. Once you're there, look for an option that specifically mentions recurring transactions or something similar. Clicking on this will bring up a comprehensive list of all invoices you've scheduled to repeat automatically. Now, let's delve into what this list can tell you. Each entry typically displays key information such as the invoice ID, client name, amount, and due date. This data is crucial because it enables you to quickly ascertain which invoices are active, which ones might be coming up soon, and ensures you know the totals being billed to your clients at any given point. Moreover, having visibility over this list allows you to identify any discrepancies or issues that might need immediate attention, helping to ensure that your clients are billed correctly and on time. To manage these transactions, begin by clicking on an individual invoice to open it. Here, you can make necessary adjustments such as changing the billing amount or the client's details. There's also often an option to pause or cancel a recurring invoice if your agreement with the client changes. When making adjustments, be mindful of notifying the client about significant changes to ensure transparency and maintain trust in your business relationship. Additionally, make sure to check whether your platform supports automated notifications. Many systems offer features that can send reminder emails to clients ahead of due dates or notify you of important transactions. Setting these up can greatly reduce the manual workload and help avoid oversight. Every once in a while, take a moment to review the entirety of your recurring invoices. This preventive measure allows you to identify any anomalies and adjust your business processes accordingly. Regular reviews can also reveal opportunities to upsell or cross-sell additional services to your satisfied clients, further boosting your revenue through recurring transactions. Remember, effectively managing your recurring invoices is not just about data entry. It's about ensuring that your business transactions are smooth, your cash flow is steady, and your clients are satisfied. By following these steps,